Ocean Grove.
We're on the Ocean Grove.
Someone having a fire over there. As you would do. I believe.
Footage of the fire.
I believe from here to that lighthouse, way over in the distance, there's about 5 kilometres. Now this is high tide. Somebody having fire there.
Fire over the corner.
A lot of sand dunes here too. Here comes a big one. Whew. Powerful the water out there.
Before all of that was surface, and if we were standing there, we'd be underwater.
It was just rock pools and stuff because tide was out. Now it's all just submerged and you wouldn't know it's there. It was big.
So there's the fire.
Yeah, I know.